Hey all, how do floods impact health? The immediate health impacts of flood include drowning, injuries, hypothermia, and the medium term infected bonds, complications of poison, permanent communicable disease, and starvation are indirect effects of flood. A well rehearsed medical preparedness plan is to provide intensive care cases rescue from drowning. An emergency medical plan will be triggered if on receiving information about imminent threat of. The action will be immediately initiated for great expansion of required number. The medical superintendent should be able to forecast the requirement of enhanced manpower and after knowing the number of casualties likely to be received at the hospital. Next, mortuary facilities and disposal of dead bodies. The state will develop contingency plans to have sufficient mortuaries to preserve the dead bodies. After proper identification, dead bodies will be immediately disposed through district authorities to prevent outbreak of an epidemic and environmental pollution. And next is public health issues in aftermath of floods. Safe and sufficient drinking water will be ensured. Protecting existing water sources from contamination, adding chlorine tablet in the water for residual disinfection effect, and provision of latrine and proper waste disposal to avoid contamination through flies and other insect are important steps required immediately in the aftermath of it. And also provision of insecticides, treated mosquito nets are recommended. Next, psychosocial aspects. A large number of victims will suffer from psychosocial effects. The aftermath of a flood. The psychosocial impact of flood will be manifested as psychosocial reaction in the form of post traumatic stress disorder and other psychosocial elements in displaced people due to flood. And documentation of medical response. Documentation of the medical response provided after a flood will be done by a medical administrator. This documentation will be used as a feedback for future improvement of the response strategies. These all are the medical facilities and medical treatment at all. Thank you.